So I hope you and your family are doing well in this age of COVID-19. So a question, will COVID-19 raise interest rates? Welcome back. So let's talk about, will COVID-19 raise interest rates? So I'm going to go in a weird direction, but it's going to come back and make some sense. Have you noticed that the price of gold and silver has gone up a lot? Let's take a look at this chart. On March 20th, gold was $1,491 an ounce, and on August 17th, it was $1,982 per ounce, and that is a 33% increase. That's a big increase, but let's take a look at silver. Silver was $12.42 an ounce on March 20th. Then on August 17th is $27.31 an ounce. That is a 120% increase. That's a huge increase. Now, something you may or may not know, precious metals are an inflation hedge. So does that mean the market is expecting inflation? I think it does. Now, if so, why is it expecting inflation? Well, have you noticed that due to COVID-19 and all of the spending, our national debt, this is as of a few days ago, this is the national debt clock, is over $26 trillion. By the time you read this, it could be 27 or 28. Now, if you owe that kind of money, you might go bankrupt. However, the US government is not going to go bankrupt. Instead, one option is to print more money to pay the debt. Now, if you print more money, you get inflation. And then inflation, kind of full circle here, that causes silver and gold to go up. Or maybe I should say the anticipation of inflation causes silver and gold to go up. If we have inflation, almost certainly interest rates will go up. So let me tell you, I'm not saying I'm right by any means, but I did go to UCLA. I'm a Bruin, and I got my degree in economics. It's just a bachelor's degree. It's not a master's or PhD in economics. But I also have to say that I remember from my high school, Westchester High School, these are the Comets, this is up in LA, there was I think it was a business or economics teacher that I had, and he quoted, I don't recall who actually said this, but he said, do you know why there are no one-armed economists or no one-handed? It was why there are no one-armed economists, because if there were, then they couldn't say on the other hand. So let me circle back now to my UCLA degree. I remember getting my degree at UCLA, and the professors would say, given this set of circumstances, you will get this result. And I would say, okay, I think I get it. I think I get it. And then they would say, on the other hand, if you apply this other theory, you get a different result. So it's possible rates may stay low, who knows? But there is at least the possibility, and this is, I think, the belief of the markets, that we will have some inflation. And if we have the inflation, then rates go up. So what that means to you is, if you're thinking of refinancing, probably want to do it now. Rates are pretty low, like the lowest ever. And if you're thinking about selling or buying, I know realtors are famous for saying, sell now, buy now, it's the best time. But it could be a very good time compared to whenever this inflation kicks in, if it does. So that's my take on it, and I hope you find it informative. If you have any questions, if you want to talk about buying or selling a home, if you have any real estate need whatsoever, please call or text me, 858-457-KENT. That's 858-457-5368. Thanks.